All is fair in Love and War 2. Also comes out in Hera Fairy 3. All is fair also because anything can happen. All of that we're going to talk about on this episode of Pop Conversation. I'm Andrew Shankar, joined by
Snail Aneja.
and
Abbas Momin.
Cutie Sinha.
Hey, yes. Wow, that was a popular comment.
A popular comment.
That got 3 likes. I don't know actually. I hope it got 3
when
likes.
Abbas had absconded
Yeah,
the show.
that was an old comment. That was a.
Bhai, that was when Abbas was not
That
Oh,
was
okay.
I took some time off to rejuvenate.
rejuvenated.
You know, Cutie Sinha is actually something I have. I used to call her when in our courting. During our courting days.
तभी बुलाता था अब तो मेरे को
अब तो है
कमेंट्स में ही बुला रहे हैं
Yes.
Before
Upload
you
comments
made it
होगा.
official in the courts, if you
Yeah.
know what I mean.
Cool,
Yeah,
correct. Yeah, nice. Well done.
Thanks.
All is fair. in
See,
love
this is what I rejuvenated for, to make jokes like this.
to wordplay with court.
Ah, great, yeah, nice. Okay, chalo. What do we want to get into first? Because there are big scenes happening in Hera Fairy 3.
Yeah, but the biggest scene that has happened is कि हमने अपना membership on कर दिया.
Yes, please.
That.
Segue King
You know,
Snail Anuj.
also, I'm very proud of the naming scheme of the.
मैंने नहीं देखा मुझे बता दो
The naming scheme is, I think इन लोग ने भी नहीं देखा.
हाँ, मैंने देखा.
It is popcorn salted. That's the first
Oh.
year.
Nice.
Second year, popcorn caramel.
जिस पे GST लगेगा.
Yes, extra GST.
Nice.
Because it's candied popcorn.
Nice.
And is that a third tier?
हम लोग
या वो अगर कोई सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेगा तो 30 ईयर यहाँ से निकलेगा.
Great.
Nice. And what's the
तुमने भी
what's the price
rejuvenate
for-
किया क्या
Price is the affordable ones. I forgot. It is.
Whatever it is, please
Should I
take the
look that up?
membership.
नहीं ठीक है.
अच्छा
देख
मतलब
लेंगे वो
पीवीआर
लोग.
का पॉपकॉर्न नहीं है अगर
हाँ,
मैंने
नहीं,
price-
अरे
Yeah,
उससे तो
correct,
बहुत
बहुत
मतलब
affordable
उससे तो
है.
बहुत
Yeah.
affordable
And
है.
I think we're out of tier list by the way. Salt and pop caramel के बाद और क्या होता है भाई?
By the way, have you
Chicken
guys...
burger.
Cheese.
Cheese popcorn वो बीच में होगा ना यार.
हाँ बीच वाला होता है वो.
तो
Yes.
I'll have to change one of these tiers which I.
Oh नहीं now we don't want it.
No.
एक बारी जो हमने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसके बाद तो हम अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनते.
हाँ correct. Now it has to be the other orders like pizza,
हाँ.
chicken burger.
Pepperoni pizza.
First you make this successful, then we'll add more.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
okay. फिर तो ये भी नहीं होना. फिर तो हम इसे
Have
करेंगे.
confidence, guys.
tier
Okay, please consider joining our memberships.
But have you guys seen this clip? So Mission Impossible 8 was premiered at Cannes, and Tom Cruise was there for the premiere.
yeah
Okay.
तो
हाँ,
वो
वो ऐसा-
enter हो रहा है. हाँ, he's eating the popcorn with the staff.
सिंगदाना की तरह.
And then also at the premiere he enters from like the side door, and so he enters and the first row is right there. So the guy who's sitting right there, his tub is empty, popcorn tub.
Okay.
So Tom Cruise before going on stage is like, look at this, you ate all your popcorn. फिर बोल के जा रहा है वो.
I just made him feel look bad.
Yeah, it's like
Like, what is
Bro,
this? Popcorn
मेरे
shaving?
पिक्चर
What
के
is
लिए कुछ तूने
Like
बचाया ही नहीं.
गरीब एक और पॉपकॉर्न
Yeah, so then Tom Cruise should buy everyone popcorn in the theater, dude.
He can, yeah, he should have.
Just so they have something to throw at the screen when they don't like it.
but good reviews na Mission.
Yeah, I saw it. Decent.
Decent.
not
I
one
am
of the
actually
best.
planning to watch Final Destination.
आई वॉच्ड फाइनल
Yeah, so
How is
so
it?
do I.
मैंने बताया पहले भी ऑफ कैमरा कि थोड़ा ज्यादा बिल्डअप है टू द डेथ्स
हाँ.
तो वी वर ऑल लाइक कि जल्दी मारो यार
हाँ,
मतलब
can I?
बोर हो
It's
रहा है
exact.
हमें।
Her exact words
Yeah.
were, "There's too much time interval between 2 kills."
It's Final Destination, dude. You're going for the death.
Yeah.
Don't give me
of
build up
course.
for death.
I don't care about them.
Yeah,
I
dude.
just want to
So
see.
I was talking to this one person who's watched it and she was like कि यार पता ही तो है सबने मरना है.
हाँ.
भाई वो तो बहुत
ये-
existential चीज है.
ये कैसा रिव्यू दिया है तुमने. ये तो जीवन है. ये पिक्चर तो
ये जीवन है.
But guys, you know what else died this week? Babu Rao from Hera Fairy. Because
Yes.
Paresh Rawal has reportedly walked out.
Yes.
And been sued after walking out.
apparently yes.
For how much?
25
25
crores.
crores.
Oh, you think Paresh Rawal can afford 25 crores?
No shit.
100%,
yeah.
bro.
No, he cannot. He's drinking Gomutra. He cannot afford shit.
That's absolutely right, dude. She is right, yes.
But
If he can afford other things to drink,
No,
why would he
dude,
drink?
बस Starbucks के भी पैसे
Not,
नहीं है.
not गौमूत्र.
His own
His
mutra.
own mutra.
Own Mutra. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
oh, like,
God.
it's-
No,
it's-
his own mutra, yeah.
Yeah, it's Paresh Mutra. It's not.
He cannot even
That's
afford.
Babura Mutra. That is premium Babura Mutra. Only
Gomutra
morning.
भी नहीं afford कर पा रहा है.
यार,
उसको.
but पता है, so when the news actually rolled out, मुझे लगा था proper
Of him
PR
drinking
stunt.
his urine.
No.
ये गौमूत्र थे? Sorry, तुम मूत्र थे?
नहीं that
Of
he
him
has
walking
walked
out. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
I
okay. मुझे भी
fully
लगा.
thought
So
that
everyone
this
thought
is a
that.
PR
Yeah,
thing.
correct.
Yeah.
And for some, like a little part of me still thinks that this is PR.
No, but why would Hera Pheri need PR? Everybody is going to watch the movie anyway, right?
But you know,
No, what if Babu Rao and Raju in the movie have a fallout?
ये हाँ ये
that's
मेरे
what.
this
So
this
मेरे
crossed
mind
my
में
mind.
actually यही था
And
कि
But what if
Akshay
this is the
Kumar
plot of
sues him.
Hera
Yeah,
Pheri 3?
Exactly.
it does seem very OTT for real life. कि अक्षय कुमार
Over the
openly
top, right?
over the
Yeah,
top.
not
Okay,
Netflix.
okay, miss the
Hera Pheri
Royals.
3 is straight to Netflix.
गुड्डो के
I
साथ
mean-
बैठे हुए बिल्कुल तो मुझे नहीं लगता ये रियल लाइफ में इतना अक्षय
Yeah,
कुमार विल
dude.
ओपनली सू परेश
Bro,
रावल
exactly. Akshay Kumar doing this, then Priyadarshan coming
Wait,
out.
let's
Yeah,
break
exactly.
down step by
अच्छा,
step.
चलो, ठीक है.
Exactly.
So, was it you who was explaining this? You was
I was explaining.
So,
the entire
Sneh
thing.
will take us back to the journey of Hera Pheri 3 and how we
Take
got
us back
here.
to the good old times when they didn't hate each other. Paresh and
Walk
Akshay.
us through
So
it.
the first news that broke with Hera Pheri 3 was you guys remember एक इवेंट हुआ था जहाँ पे सुनील शेट्टी और परेश रावल थे as बाबू राव and then Abhishek Bachchan and John Abraham joined the
Correct.
cast.
I've heard about this. I've
I've
not
seen this.
seen
Yeah,
this, but
I've
I've
seen,
heard
I've
about
Fair
seen,
on,
it.
even
Okay.
I've seen this. I think
Okay.
it's, there, it's still there on YouTube.
Yeah.
So तब से
एक वो और एक मुन्ना भाई चले अमेरिका.
मुन्ना भाई चले अमेरिका का भी
Yeah,
टीजर था.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
तो
So this was going to be the initial cast.
initial cast.
So
because
basically,
Hera
Akshay
Pheri-
was replaced.
Akshay was replaced, right? फिर वो नहीं मतलब I don't think they received like a good
Was the director
reception.
attached to this?
अभी डायरेक्टर के बारे में बात
Okay.
नहीं करेंगे अभी. वो तो अभी तक उसमें चल रहा है.
समझी होगा यार.
ठीक है, तो फिर
हाँ.
उसके वो वहां पे शेल्फ हो गई. कुछ टाइम बाद फिर कार्तिक आर्यन का रूमर
हाँ,
उठा अभी
correct.
कुछ 1-2
Yes.
साल
Yeah,
पहले.
yeah,
Correct.
yeah,
ठीक है, when Akshay also openly said in the interviews कि यार मैं नहीं हो रहा हूँ part, I'm really sorry to my fans and all of that. And then Karthik वाला project also got dropped. वो भी
Karthik
नहीं हुआ.
Aryan and Fahad Samji were
Yes.
attached
ठीक
to
है,
this.
and सुनील शेट्टी एंड ऑल आल्सो केम आउट एंड सेड कि वो राजू को रिप्लेस नहीं कर रहा है. अगर उसको हम डालते हैं फिल्म में तो दैट विल बी लाइक अ न्यू
character,
कैरेक्टर.
हाँ.
नोबडी कैन रिप्लेस राजू एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. थ्रू आउट दिस टाइम सुनील शेट्टी हैज बीन द पिलर कि नहीं भाई
He's the voice of
तीनों
reason.
होंगे
You're
यार.
like पैसे बनने दो भाई, तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम क्यों है तुम्हें?
प्रॉब्लम क्या है तुमको बन रहा है वैसा?
मैं तो काम करूंगा बाबू भैया.
मां शक्ति बट
देखो ना बाबू भैया.
so that was the recent development कि जब उसने भी quit मतलब as in that project also didn't happen and then Akshay publicly apologized to the fans. Cut to now they finally announced that Akshay has agreed to do Hera Pheri 3
And he's
then,
bought.
and then he bought the rights to Hera Pheri ka IP.
Okay.
So apparently by like if we go by recent statements by Priyadarshan, Akshay Kumar actually after when he got onboarded on the project basically, then he bought the rights and फिर उसके बाद he created this entire ensemble कि भाई मुझे परेश रावल ही चाहिए, मुझे सुनील शेट्टी ही चाहिए. And then on the sets of Bhoot Bangla, apparently he requested
Priyadarshan to come
Priyadarshan कि you come back as the director.
Does Bhoot Bangla also star Paresh Rawal?
No, I don't think
Okay.
Bhoot Bangla stars Paresh
Okay.
Rawal. Bhoot Bangla has this guy Akshay, has Asrani,
Okay.
has Rajpal Yadav,
Oh.
has all these people. I'm not very sure about Paresh Rawal.
All right.
But then anyway, so they
अब तो नहीं हो.
so but मुझे अभी भी लग रहा है भाई PR है, but I'll come to that.
Okay.
So now the thing was कि इन लोगों ने अनाउंस कर दिया था कि हम IPL फाइनल से पहले हेरा फेरी 3 का टीजर अनाउंसमेंट वीडियो डालेंगे.
अच्छा.
IPL फाइनल अगले 10 दिन में है.
Hmm.
ठीक है, तो और अब अगर ये सब हो रहा है, so I am thinking this is probably a build up to the point where they release, and this could very well actually be the plot of the film.
Right.
Because see, इंडस्ट्री में ऊंच नीच ऊपर नीचे होती रहती है, नो
I
डाउट.
said no.
इतनी पब्लिकली ट्वीट्स पे, न्यूज पे सू
Tweet,
कर
are
दिया.
they're tweeting at each other.
Bro,
Paresh Rawal
Paresh
tweeted
Rawal
when he
tweeted
left.
that I have absolutely mad respect for this Priyadarshan. There are no creative differences. I would want to put it on record कि कोई problem नहीं है. Akshay Kumar suing भाई परेश रावल, अक्षय कुमार एंड सुनील शेट्टी. अक्षय कुमार का अभी एक इवेंट प्रमोट करने भी तीनों आए थे जो आई थिंक कराटे का था. तो अगर ये लोग इतने टाइट हैं, 25
So
करोड़
wait,
के लिए
wait,
sue
wait,
करना.
wait. You're saying कि Paresh Rawal said कि I'm leaving this project, but
Yeah.
not because
Yes.
of this. But he didn't say why
Yes.
he's leaving.
Yes.
He just said why not.
So the rumor initially was that Priyadarshan and Paresh Rawal had
Had a
creative
fallout.
differences.
Okay.
Creative
So
differences.
Paresh Rawal only said that I don't have any differences with Priyadarshan. I have mad
Oh,
respect for him.
pointedly he
So
said.
then it was implied that then he has problems with
Sunil
Akshay
Shetty.
Kumar.
Sunil Shetty is
So,
too much.
sir, I have a question.
yes, yes.
तो
Sir,
सुनील
yes,
शेट्टी
yes.
ऑल्सो बाय द वे वेरी रिसेंटली आई थिंक वीर पता नहीं कहीं किसी मूवी के या किसी शो के उस पे प्रेस पे उन लोगों ने उससे पूछा है कि भाई क्या हुआ है एंड एटसेट्रा एंड देन ही आल्सो सेज कि हेरा फेरी 3 is actually the only project that I was really excited about and I was really looking
Yeah.
forward to. So I don't have a clear picture.
As
कि क्या हो रहा
opposed
है.
to all the other offers I have said no to for this.
So like he
Susu is also part of the PR or what?
What is Susu?
Mutra.
Paresh Rawal's,
Oh, that.
Susu
No,
drinking
that's just
is
But he
Paresh
can
Rawal.
claim that. But if he wants to get out of it, his PR can claim that. No, that's plot in the movie. That's plot of the movie.
but I fully feel that something like this could be the plot.
Let's address the other rumor that has come up, which is that Pankaj
Pankaj
Tripathi
Tripathi
has
might
been
be
replaced
playing, yeah.
and will be playing Babu Rao.
Well, Pankaj Tripathi has replaced the
Paresh Rawal.
renowned-
Yeah.
So
No, I
Raju
don't.
is irreplaceable.
Because he has
Babu
the
Rao
rights.
is not. Babu Rao is
Because
not.
Raju now has the rights now, bhai.
Raju can do anything. now.
Raju has the rights.
राजू ने बाबू भैया से साइन करवा लिया
Correct. वो गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है.
But मुझे genuinely अब यही लग रहा है कि जो ये लोग टीजर रिलीज करेंगे ना
वो इसके ऊपर
उसमें
ही
यही
होगा।
इसी
plot
के
होगा.
ऊपर होगा.
Babu
Very
Rao
possible.
and
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar fighting.
Because
तो-
there is no Hera Fairy without Babu Rao.
True.
Yeah,
But
it's
then
bizarre to even.
till a
The
few-
world moves on.
यार
With
the
or
world
without
can go
Hera.
fuck itself. It's fine. हेरा फेरी 3 के साथ या हेरा फेरी franchise के साथ you cannot take Babu Rao out of the picture.
That's true.
Imagine
But nobody's took him out. He took himself out.
Part of me is a little curious to see Pankaj Tripathi as Babu Rao.
यार फिर वो दूसरा पिक्चर बनाओ ना स्पिन ऑफ बनाओ उसके अंदर मत डालो उसको बाबू राव
उसका नाम होगा हेरा फेरी नॉट बट अ लिटिल बिट लाइक हेरा
या
फेरी.
हेरा
You
नॉट
know-
सो फेरी
You
हेरा
know
नॉट
what?
सो मच फेरी
So Hera Fairy has this one line, the first Hera Fairy,
Yeah.
where
उसको मैं मस्त तिल में फ्राई करके
नहीं,
खाया.
हाँ,
correct.
that too is of course a
सारी
legendary
लाइन
line.
बोलेगा.
मस्त तेरे को संडास दे
ही किसी के
कबीरा
कैरेक्टर
सिंह.
बाबू राव बोलता है ना मारुति राव ऐसे वो इसको कोई किसी को गुरु मानता है वो
Oh,
someone
अच्छा,
mentions
okay.
some
Oh,
Maruti.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
So what if Pankaj Tripathi is play? I always wanted to see that spin off कि ये बाबू राव का गुरु कौन है जो ये उसको इतना वो मानता है. Sham when he comes is like कि बाबू राव मुझे आपका नंबर मारुति राव ने दिया था तो मारुति राव ऐसा बोलता है वो.
एंड देन ही सेज मां शक्ति
So I don't know. I mean, if he has to be replaced, Pankaj Tripathi is not a bad choice.
आई डोंट
Whether he's going to
See-
play Babu Rao or
see
another
either
character.
like shelf the project
Yeah,
I mean, that's most. If this is not all a
Yeah.
PR strategy, that's most probably what's going to happen.
हाँ because
No, I don't
Yeah,
think.
bro.
I think the thing is, if Akshay has put this much money already in it,
तो
in
कर दिया ना
signing all these
सू.
people, this thing, whatever. So
Even
क्या
without
होएगा?
Paresh
He's gone
Rawal.
forever.
Also,
so the thing is,
Akshay
he
Kumar-
will make it. He should not make it, but I think he will make it.
I doubt bro.
Also,
I-
Akshay Kumar doesn't seem like the kind of person who will pick a fight. और अगर हो भी जाए झगड़ा किसी को कुछ बुरा लग भी जाए तो he seems like the kind of person who will go and be like अरे जाने दो ना ठीक है यार भगाओ.
You are saying this based on what?
Yeah, what are you friends with Akshay? Actually, knows Akshay Kumar's inner workings, and now he.
Is
thinks
Twinkle
around-
been in touch with you?
उसको
Huh?
सोना होता है ना 8 बजे वो झगड़ा करेगा तो लंबा खींचेगा
but
He replies only in that window.
this is probably I
यार
think
8 बज गए हैं जाने दो यार.
the optimistic side of me of wanting to watch Hera Fairy 3
True.
and thinking कि ये सब वो होगा. Like I know people who are close to like the project and the people involved. They are saying that it has some truth involved. But again,
आ जाएगा यार वापस परेश रावल.
यार हाँ मतलब अगर अक्षय कुमार को तुम वापस खींच सकते हो
I know, yeah.
तो परेश रावल को भी खींच ही सकते
So
हो.
we-
Would it
we
be
did-
crazy if Salman Khan here also replaced Paresh Rawal? Like how he's doing replacing
Segue.
some other people in some other places. You were the one telling us, right?
हाँ, so I basically read this scoop article where they were saying that Salman Khan is probably in advanced talks to replace
Wait for it.
to replace Amitabh Bachchan as the host of KBC.
Imagine.
मतलब सोचो ये
And
music-
after this music, it's
ये
Big
वो-
Boss चाहते हैं कि
वो बेल्ट हिलाता हुआ आ रहा है।
first his fingers first खेले.
Like, भाई नहीं सोचो ना ऐसा हो रहा है ऐसा
Yeah. He's like
Fastest finger first.
सलमान खान आंसर दो क्वेश्चन पड़ेगा तो
यार, but
टिक
then
टिक ही
again,
बच
so
जाएंगे
the thing is कि सलमान का वाइब इज सो मच कि कितने प्रतिशत भारतीय ठीक है ऑप्शन ए ऑप्शन बी ऑप्शन सी ऑप्शन डी डज नॉट सूट सलमान
but bro, I think Salman is aware that उसका भी थोड़ा बुरा टाइम चल तो रहा है कि पिक्चर नहीं चल रही.
श्योर इज अवेयर
हाँ तो
पूरा टाइम तो हमारा चल रहा है कि हमने सिकंदर देख ली सिकंदर.
But what do you think, man? Like, I don't think this is. Firstly, it doesn't seem like the right fit at all.
not at all dude not at all
Abbas?
I would like to see a Salman hosted KBC.
यार
bro.
आपके
But
fun
for how
facts
long?
थोड़ी है ये।
But for how long?
Season
like
है
one
Or
or two
at least
episodes
one
is fine.
season, yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah,
See,
actually,
Mr.
I wouldn't
Bachchan
mind for one
is what?
season.
He's in his 80s.
83 yes
83, yeah, so-
I think he'll
करने दो
turn
यार
83
उनको,
this
यार.
year
I mean, so,
Bachchan
and he's been doing this
You know-
like
25 years
25 years, right?
It sounds like an SNL skit. Salman Khan
Salman
being the
doing-
host of Amitabh Bachchan.
There was a
of
brief
KBC.
period, I think, in the 2000s when Shah Rukh had replaced
Yeah,
Amitabh
one
Bachchan.
season, yes.
So it has happened before.
Freeze
like, it's
कर
not
दिया
like,
जाए
It's
तो
not like
अभी
it's never
वो
happened
उसने
before.
अपने घर से नहीं लेके आया था वो फ्रीज कर दिया जाए उसको शो वालों ने ही दिया होगा बेचारा
हाँ
को.
तो नहीं बैठा ना
No.
भाई
You know what it should be? It should actually be Sunil Grover as Amitabh Bachchan
hosting
That's
that
the
would
best.
actually be better than both Shah Rukh
I
and
agree.
Salman hosting it
मुझको उड़ाना चाहिए.
माफ करना
Great video.
बहुत अच्छा है.
but अगर so I think if Salman actually gets on board
Yeah.
they will have to do a lot of changes to
Dude, firstly, a lot more
KBC.
hand holding.
and a lot of shorter questions.
Yeah, a lot of questions, a lot of more cuts between everything.
because bro like I've been on the taping of KBC
Oh, okay.
and Amitabh literally gives a one take dude
Yeah, because he can. You know.
भाई he
So he has to
Bhai, what-
literally read out from a
Yeah.
computer.
Also, it'll look very weird when Salman is sitting in the host chair with hands in his pocket. That's a weird look, man.
like
Instead of
awkward.
computer
Like,
G, it will be
कोट
something
उतारो,
else.
जरा मेरी
Yeah.
कोल्ड ड्रिंक
हाँ instead of computer जी what could it be
Cream माँ की
Computer
चूत।
महाशय.
याद हो गया? याद करा हो गया?
सोचो भाई उसको जवाब नहीं आ रहा था like आज हो गया बताने
Yeah.
आज हो गया तुमसे फास्टेस्ट फिंगर फर्स्ट नहीं हो रहा है
Man. can you imagine?
कुछ तो चेंज करना पड़ेगा उनको ऐसे तो नहीं हो पाएगा ये
Okay, I think a better question is because Salman though absolutely does not work. At least not for me.
मतलब in not
But-
in my mind
yeah,
could be a
who-
spoof episode though
Who do you
but,
think would be good? I think Paresh Rawal. He's not doing.
but then he's
one
tired
movie,
of
not
playing
Yeah, I was gonna come to that we didn't mention, but in the Lalan
Yeah.
Talk interview, Paresh Rawal said that everybody comes up who
Oh.
comes up to him is talking about Hera Pheri. He wants to branch out as an actor.
क्या पार्लियामेंट में आके लोग
I'm
उससे
sorry
बड़े
to say-
बाबूराव की बात कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, I'm
Those are
sorry to
most
say,
popular
Mr.
characters.
Rawal, but you've realized this a little late.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
dude.
already been. And I was thinking, bro,
Or
why?
also, iconic characters are iconic for a
They-
reason.
for
It's
the
a good
reason,
thing.
exactly.
It's a good
But
thing.
This
good
is
thing.
also something Arshad Varsi has said that he wants to, like, everybody
do
was
Munna Bhai.
offering him circuit like after
भाई
doing
सीन
Munna
क्या है
Bhai.
ना मैं आपको बताता हूँ देखो अरशद वारसी ने जब सर्किट प्ले किया ना अरशद वारसी ने अपनी लाइफ में सर्किट से ज्यादा आइकॉनिक और मेमोरेबल रोल और उतनी बड़ी पिक्चर नहीं करी है
तो परेश रावल ने भी नहीं की
परेश
थी.
रावल
रावल
ने
ने तेजा क्या है?
परेश रावल ने एटलीस्ट ही हैज डन मोर एंड डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रोल्स जैसे टेबल
Sure.
नंबर 21 में उसने
And
अलग
yeah,
किया
yeah,
था
good roles, yeah.
हेरा फेरी तो ऑब्वियसली बाबूराव है ही,
Bro, he
तेजा
played
उसने
Sardar Patel in the Sardar Patel biopic.
Biopic, yeah.
Also, अतिथि तुम कब जाओगे was
Yeah, yeah,
hilarious.
एंड
Oh
संगम
my god.
Hangama.
वही ना एग्जैक्ट भाई मालामाल वीकली
Yeah.
इट्स नॉट लाइक ही इज ऐसा नहीं है कि वो मोल्ड ब्रेक नहीं कर पाया है
Hmm.
ठीक है वो इजीली कर पाया है एंड दैट इज द साइन ऑफ लाइक अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर ऑल्सो दैट ही वाज एबल टू ब्रेक दैट मोल्ड
Yeah.
अब उस चीज को लेकिन इतना ऐसा लेके बैठ जाना कि भाई मेरे को लोग बाबूराव के नाम से बोले ही ना वो नहीं हो सकता
Yeah,
you think
but
he
all-
just wanted a way out? Like he was just looking for a.
I legit think that
Like,
it's script shit.
It's not
And
your
he just
thing.
wants to walk out of the
Bro,
project. This is the way he walked out. That's
Can
it.
I push back on that?
Yeah.
this is easily Paresh Rawal's highest paid role that he's going to be paid the most money for in the last 10 years.
Sure, yeah.
And-
So many actors dial it in just for the money, right? Even if the
Yeah.
script or whatever, if you're getting tons of money.
Akshay Kumar is
And-
dialing it in, paying
Yeah.
the highest income
And
tax or something.
For Paresh Rawal, who's a good actor, for him to play even a bad script of Babu Rao, if he's getting a ton of money for it, why not?
But then that is where the question comes ना, जो उसका internal turmoil that he's been talking about कि मैं actor हूँ, मुझे experiment करना है, मुझे branch out करना है, etc. But again,
You think Nasruddin
dude,
Shah
firstly,
did Krish
see,
for
bro,
the...
that's what. भाई क्रिश तो छोड़ो, उसने welcome back भी तो करी नसीरुद्दीन शाह ने.
Yeah,
Dude,
exactly.
also, firstly, isn't it every actor's aim to do that one or two roles
Yeah.
which become so iconic? They are in every second person zeitgeist.
Exactly.
Everyone knows about
and
it.
the fact that
That's an awesome thing.
Paresh Rawal has been fortunate enough, or we have been fortunate, or whatever, the industry has been fortunate enough that Paresh Rawal was able to play 3 or 4 such characters.
Yeah, exactly. right?
Sure.
And
It's
it's
very rare
not
thing.
like कि भाई बाबू राव के अलावा बाबू राव sure is your most iconic character, but it's not like people have bloody typecasted you in that.
Exactly.
You've been playing negative
Yeah,
roles
yeah.
after that.
Yeah,
You've been
yeah.
playing serious roles after that.
Exactly. Dude, these are in an entire career of maybe hundreds of movies by this point. right?
Yeah.
For sure. Must be. This guy has done 2 of the same role. Twice.
Yeah.
इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. चलो वेलकम टू भी की थी ना.
बट हाँ अच्छा अगर आप मतलब as in, तो उस बात उसकी हो रही
But
तो
yeah.
वेलकम बैक में
But
अगर
maybe that's why he understood कि भाई और नहीं करना है सब नखरा.
यार और अगेन भाई वेलकम बैक was a different story altogether. Paresh Rawal was not the most iconic character in Welcome.
Yeah.
In the series Welcome.
Yeah, yeah,
that's very
correct.
right. Yeah.
Babu Rao is quite literally the central character in Fir Hera Feri
Yeah.
and Hera Feri, like
No,
the franchise.
central character is Raju because the story
Yeah,
was
but
around him.
Paresh Rawal is
Why
the one who
Paresh
steals
Rawal is
the
the
glue.
most
Yeah,
iconic.
Paresh
yeah.
Rawal is what
By the
sticks
time the
glue.
second one came out, he was already the most iconic.
Yeah,
character.
Yeah, 100%.
Like
100%.
abhi
No
bhi,
doubt.
like if you think of all
the quotable lines and all.
yeah, all the quotable
Yeah.
lines are Babu Rao.
Yeah.
But like that line, वो तो मुझे अभी तक बहुत हंसी आती है फिर हेरा फेरी की वो डोमिनोज वाली जो लाइन है मैं खटक से उसके सामने आ गया अल्लाह फ्री में दे फ्री में bro.
Man, one actor I had missed in.
That's
Fir-
also sorry to cut you off, but that's also because Paresh Rawal at that time was doing a Domino's ad. You remember?
Na 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 na.
ना
na.
जी,
Oh,
वो
pizza
pizza
hai,
है
oh, free. So yeah, he's also done brand endorsements, bro.
bro yeah so that's what I'm saying. I think again I like
Oh,
if
उसमें भी पर character acting करता ना. He likes someone who really enjoys pizza.
he's also
and a
someone
chipster.
who has famously said that character actor की जिंदगी जो है वो लीड एक्टर से बहुत ज्यादा होती है.
Yeah, that's true.
And
Anyway.
it's true also.
हाँ हाँ 100%. तो वही मुझे लग रहा है कि if there is like 2% truth in whatever is happening right now, it could very well be because of
You're saying bad script. What are you?
because
saying?
of the bad script.
But
Because
मुझे
there is
तो
no other thing that I feel could be a factor. Because मैं बाबू राव के कैरेक्टर से ब्रांच आउट करना चाहता हूँ is sounding a little कि
But
यार
that is also just an interview, man. People say a lot of things in interviews just to sound intellectual and
the
smart.
thing is that he said this even before. He said
Oh,
this
really?
he's said this multiple times.
But the way everyone is being so honest about their feelings and suing people, it really feels like PR to me.
Yeah.
Because
हाँ.
बॉलीवुड में अब आ गए हमें स्टेज पे कि सब डिप्लोमेटिक है और
Exactly.
सब अंडर द
इतना
कवर
फेस
होता
पे
है.
कोई कुछ नहीं करता है.
एग्जैक्टली कार्तिक और करण जौहर का बहुत बड़ा फॉल आउट हुआ था
हाँ.
बट इट नेवर केम टू
Yeah.
न्यूज एंड पीपल टॉकिंग ओपनली अबाउट इट द लास्ट ओपनली टॉकिंग फाइट वाज ऋतिक एंड कंगना दैट्स व्हाट आई रिमेंबर
That is true. उसमें भी
But
अक्षय
then,
had a very important one liner.
या ही
You remember?
यस
बॉलीवुड में क्या चल रहा है मेरी बिल्डिंग में चल रहा है.
उसकी बिल्डिंग में क्यों?
अरे तो अक्षय ऋतिक और अक्षय सेम बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं ना.
Oh, अच्छा.
सो आई थिंक हाउसफुल 3 या हाउसफुल के टाइम की प्रमोशनल इवेंट था जिसपे किसी ने पूछा था कि ऋतिक और
I've
उसका
seen
क्या
this.
चल रहा है.
I never understood
And
that. I didn't know
then
this.
he
Okay,
said,
cool.
अरे बॉलीवुड में कहाँ चल रहा है मेरी बिल्डिंग में चल रहा है.
So yeah, man, I think I would like to say Hera Fairy with
The
Paresh
original
Rawal
cast,
only,
of course, the original
Yes.
cast.
And
And if it is not the original cast, then don't make it at this.
absolutely,
Yes.
dude. There's one person I think about this sometimes that Om Puri was missed in the second one.
Of course.
Yeah.
Had he still been around, it would be
Yeah.
great to see him in the third one.
Yes, yes,
But that sadly won't be possible. At least let's not lose other cast members, please.
Huh.
That would be
Matlab,
nice.
not the way we lost Om Puri, but like,
Especially not that.
but like, just out of the film. Let's not lose them out of the film.
Only Kartik Aaryan ko should happen. What Om Puri?
What the fuck, bro?
He was in. He was gonna be in Hera Fairy 3. I'm just
Acha,
saying.
that way.
I'm just saying. Okay.
I thought you killed off Kartik Aaryan.
No, he just got replaced.
Okay.
He wasn't in.
Okay,
you know?
cool.
His movie career, maybe, yeah.
Yeah, that should die.
No,
Kill
he's
it
doing
off.
But for
Godzilla.
some, pata hai, theek hai, I'll tell you one thing. See, I don't know if it's a hot take or anything,
You
but
love Kartik Aaryan.
Huh?
You love
उसकी
Kartik
movies
Aaryan.
अच्छी लगती
it's not about I love Kartik Aaryan. It's about कि at least he's a bloody outsider who's making something in the
Enough
industry.
enough of that. He has ridden on
It's
that
not
enough.
like he's come from outside.
कोई
Bro,
गाँव
he's
से-
come from
कोई गाँव
outside.
से थोड़ी आया
ग्वालियर
है
से
वो।
उठ के आया है. Engineering college के 7
Agree,
साल
but
auditions
agree.
दे रहा
Because
था.
of that, are we supposed to like him?
No, the
Is that the
नहीं,
excuse?
Like his
नहीं,
shit
it's not-
movies.
It's not the excuse, but I'm saying कि
नहीं कर रहा है तो कर रहा है अच्छी बात है
हम
करो
लोग
यार
like all of us
हम भी कर ही रहे हैं हमारे को सपोर्ट करता है वो Will Kartik Aaryan say anything nice about us? Kartik come on the podcast give us news.
while we are all like basically be like कि चलो ठीक है अनन्या पांडे को 4 साल बाद 5 साल बाद if she's done a good film if we
नहीं
can
नहीं
talk
उसका भी करियर किल करो मैं तो दोनों के साथ हूँ
नहीं I still feel कि like if there's someone who has this I agree that he's ridden on this for a very long time.
Yeah, and now he is making shit movies. All of them are shit. He was good till चलो सोनू के टीटू भी चलो लुक्का छुपी भी आई लाइक
सोनू के टीटू से ही तो उठा था वो
हाँ
उससे
सोनू के
पहले
टीटू
तो
was
हाँ।
the big hit and then लुक्का छुपी also I liked and then he did Bhool Bhulaiya 2 which was shit.
No,
Shit.
which was bad,
And
yeah.
just everyone watched it because everyone was
Bhool Bhulaiya,
content
yeah.
hungry because of COVID or whatever.
yeah.
And then after that, he just did shit movies one after other. Shit. Except Freddy. Freddy I liked.
Oh yeah? Okay.
That was the killer
That was-
dentist
yeah.
movie, right?
Yeah.
I didn't like it that
Yeah, I
much
wasn't-
actually. I was like,
At
At
least
least
like
he
it,
did
yeah.
something. At least he did something
यार, नहीं,
different
the-
instead of acting like Akshay Kumar.
उसमें से मेरे को उसकी धमाका
धमाका
फिल्म
ठीक
मेरे को
धमाका was
धमाका
good
ठीक
also.
लगी थी मेरे को but then again I still feel that he still does better than a lot of people in the industry
हाँ,
acting wise
Like
I don't want to take
who a pussy.
सत्य प्रेम की कथा भी की थी वो भी काफी बोरिंग थी
सभी खराब
so
ही होते
सत्यमेव
हैं.
कथा में I think Kiara did a very good job.
Kiara was okay please
Yeah,
let's
Kiara
not
did
go
a very
overboard
good job.
Antriksh doesn't like that movie. He finds it depressing. That's why he hates the movie.
Yeah, dude.
Antriksh doesn't
don't
like anything
bum me out
depressing.
don't bum me out dude.
in Antariksh's world just make rom-coms and coms that's it.
Yeah all
No, just coms
Just-
actually.
just
No
coms.
rom-coms.
हमारी कॉम के मुताबिक
So Hera Fairy 3,
What do you think? This is PR or this is truth?
I think it's the truth.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think, but I think
I-
they will get Paresh Rawal back.
पेशावर
Yeah.
बैग नहीं देने पड़ेंगे 25
मतलब
करोड़
वो out of court settlement कुछ कर लेंगे.
that's great
But,
we're making predictions that's a good idea
Yeah,
yeah.
But-
You said it's a script.
No, I legit actually I tend to agree with Abbas. I actually think this is not scripted.
Okay.
I was just joking about, oh, maybe this is part of the plot and all. I don't actually think that. I think this is actually they're actually fighting. But I also think that they're not gonna get him back, and the movie will be made with someone else in it.
Oh, then it's properly going to be a bomb.
Yeah, okay, but that's
Yeah.
my prediction.
What do you think, Kirti?
I though don't want to put it out in the universe कि it's true. So I'll manifest कि it's PR. And I'll keep saying it till it becomes true.
Yeah, till they are like, अच्छा ठीक है, we have an out.
Okay.
We can take this angle. Okay, there's a PR guys. Too.
Even I think that there is a PR angle to it because the build up to see I also agree with Abbas when he says that Hera Fairy 3 does not need a build up.
Yeah.
For
Yeah,
sure.
exactly.
But it's just a
But
publicity stunt.
yeah,
It's okay.
This could very well be because the dynamic of the three of them in the film as Raju, Babu Rao and Sham has always been a little banterish, right?
Bro.
And in the second one, Raju actually scams both of them out of their money.
कितने का 25 करोड़ किया है ना,
हाँ,
तो 25 करोड़ का ही होगा.
तो that's what I'm saying कि
In
इस
the
बार
last movie, was it 21 crores, 25 crores that they were going to get back?
no I think
21 दिन में पैसे
पर
डबल.
कितने थे? कितने पैसे थे?
7-8 करोड़
जो भी
थे,
थे, but I think कि इसमें भी
adjusted for inflation.
तो I think इसमें भी कुछ ऐसा ही होगा. But again, I am hearing from like reliable sources that
Who is your reliable source?
वाह
स्नेह
यार
लगा.
ना तो बता रहे कि कार्तिक आर्यन
Reddit
किससे
बोल,
अच्छा है, ना तो
अगर ये
source बता
PR
रहा है.
stunt
कुछ
हुआ,
तो गॉस दे.
तो फिर
तो सेल के
मेरे
जो
वो
sources
reliable
हैं,
source है
उनको
वो.
हम पॉडकास्ट पे
But
डिस करेंगे.
ये भी हो सकता है कि तब तक वो सेटल कर लें जैसा अब्बास ने बोला.
Are you friends with Paresh's son?
No.
Paresh
Akshay
Rawal
Sun.
himself.
Paresh Rawal himself.
Are
Yes.
are you friends with Athia Shetty? Are you
She's
friends
not a
with KL
reliable
Rao?
source.
KL Rahul का दोस्त है.
But yeah.
But I
Fair
wanted
enough.
to say to our people who are watching, tell us in the comments your top 3 Paresh Rawal performances.
absolutely.
I
Yes,
think
and
he's
tell
done.
him that he's not typecasted.
Yeah.
So bloody do Babu Rao.
और even if he hit, इतना चलता है भाई.
हाँ
इतना
यार,
टेंशन है भाई.
किसी ने ये इसका ना इसने जो ललन टॉप के इंटरव्यू में बाबू राव वाला बिट बोला है उसका किसी ने रील बना के डाला हुआ था. एंड नीचे किसी ने कमेंट किया, वाओ परेश कांट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ एवेंजर्स क्लियरली.
That makes sense. Absolutely.
Oh, I thought it's gonna be like
Because-
after he says कि मेरे को बाबू राव नहीं कर रहे, cut to बाबू राव. रख.
Great.
Also, please tell Sunil Shetty to not put out misogynistic remarks at least till the release.
Oh, fuck.
Otherwise,
What did he say?
मूवी देख नहीं
Oh,
पाऊंगी
he's
जाके.
apologized. He's apologized.
What did he say?
He said sorry.
What did he say, guys?
अरे भाई
even I don't know.
एक मिनट.
You can't just say this and then not explain.
Snail is too feminist to say. He's like, I'm not gonna
He
repeat it.
said कि I'm proud that my daughter went for a normal delivery instead of cesarean.
Oh, that.
Because that's the easy way out, apparently.
तो ठीक तो बोला.
I don't see any problem, man. He spoke
Guys,
fact.
इसीलिए इस पॉडकास्ट पे लड़की नहीं है.
तुम लोग को याद है एक फारूक शेख का शो आया करता था, जीना इसी का
Of
नाम
course,
है.
yes.
उसमें
Of
सुनील
course.
शेट्टी का एपिसोड है. ओके, तो उसमें हिज वाइफ कम्स एंड देन फारूक शेख के आप अपनी जरा लव स्टोरी बताइए. तो सुनील शेट्टी इज लाइक, या लाइक शी यूज्ड टू गो टू कॉलेज और यू नो हाउ बॉयज डू, दे कम आउट एंड लड़कियां ताड़ते हैं एंड यू नो इट्स पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप. सो आई थिंक सुनील शेट्टी हैज मोर things to scrub off his past
I think Sunil Shetty
than
should-
just the six.
That's what boys are. That's
Yeah, you know how you know boys are part of growing up.
but he's not wrong.
लेडीज कॉलेज के सामने जाते हैं, लड़कियों को ताड़ते
थे क्या
हैं.
ladies college
नहीं,
के
but-
सामने लड़कियां
But
ताड़ने?
everyone's ताड़ोड़ girls in college. This is a very normal thing to
तुम
do.
लड़कियों के
Why-
कॉलेज के सामने ताड़ने गए हो लड़कियों
यार तुम्हारे कॉलेज के बाहर आ गया मैं. वो लड़की.
मेरे
Pop,
कॉलेज
pop,
के बाहर
pop.
तो तुम डेफिनेटली
I think me and Snail should leave this.
So you guys have a little bit of sorting out to do.
But it's a very normal thing. I legit think that. What is-
तुम कुछ ज्यादा ही-
I don't think this is a problematic thing
कुछ ज्यादा ही
for
advocate
Sunil
कर रहे हो
Shetty to admit. Maybe for me it is.
Yeah, that hasn't aged well, clearly.
Yeah,
Sunil
that's
Shetty
true.
saying? That has aged. Okay.
ठीक है. The next big thing on the episode at 11:10 is War 2.
War 2.
Wow, that's Doom 2, but okay.
Dude, War 2, not excited at all.
Yeah.
Not even a little bit.
Let's
Snail-
ask the
अभी
biggest.
watch Snehil's veins pop out on his forehead.
Snail saw Ritik's tricep again and came in his
And
pants.
he just
dude.
froze the screen.
Yeah, he's like,
Bro-
इसका मैं screenshot लेके अपने दीवार में चिपकाऊंगा.
3 expression इसने rewind करके दिखाई. This expression on Ritik, I love.
Yeah, we will show that expression also. Where this is the one where he's doing.
He's not doing this.
Yeah, he's doing exactly
For
that.
sure he's not
Exactly
doing
that. Somebody, the editor match Ritik's movement with my.
Yeah. So I think I don't have a lot of things to say, dude. What
Snail
the
is
fuck?
just
You're gonna watch it
taken-
first day,
we're all
first show.
taken
Of
aback
course,
by
of course,
Antriksh
of course.
and Antriksh से
नहीं, so I will obviously watch
Spot
War
on,
2. The thing is ना कि हमने actually War 2 के बाद War का ट्रेलर भी देखा वापस से. So template clearly same follow हुआ है. The thing
तो
is,
होना ही था.
but वो होना ही था.
But
The
अभी
thing-
5-6 पिक्चरें हो गई हैं जिनका ये CI
यार
template
हाँ,
है।
मेरा मेजर प्रॉब्लम पता है ये है
पठान
कि
में थे ना.
पठान सेम दिख रही थी, वॉर सेम दिख रही थी, वॉर 2 सेम दिख रही है.
टाइगर जिंदा है.
That's my
वो तो
take.
अच्छी नहीं थी.
Guys,
अच्छी
I'm
नहीं थी.
over the Spy Wars.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yes, it's
I
I
not
think
interesting.
Spy Wars जब तक सिर्फ टाइगर था ना तब तक सही था.
I
नहीं, पठान या
agree.
फिर भी- it was the hype तो था.
War is also good.
War is also fine.
War
yeah.
is good.
The fucking surgery part is a little crazy to me.
But it was like
But
that was,
overall,
yeah.
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 अभी अब
वो तो डॉन में भी था. चलो क्या कर
हाँ.
सकते हैं.
So I think the thing that failed the Spy Wars was Tiger 3. Because we saw Pathan. Pathan also, we've also watched it in hype.
Yeah.
Of
Of
Shah Rukh
Shah Rukh.
returning after 3 years. 4
I've
years.
never wanted to rewatch Pathan
Same.
after
I
that.
agree. I completely
No
agree.
But I was
comments.
excited for Tiger 3 because Tiger 1 and 2 I liked. Pathan we saw in hype. So if Tiger 3 had delivered and
Yeah.
it was like a
It would still
really
be hype.
great film,
तो फिर War
so
2
we'd
का
be
hype
even
होता.
more hype. Now let's see how it all comes together.
Do you think? Do you guys think? Okay, so War 2. If you guys have not seen the trailer, it's a movie starring Junior NTR
And Hrithik.
and Hrithik Roshan
And Kiara
directed-
Advani.
and Kiara Advani and directed by
Ayan Mukherjee.
Yeah, which is a weird choice.
Season 1 कह रहा हूँ. First movie सिद्धार्थ आनंद ने करी थी,
हाँ.
जिसने
हाँ,
eventually फिर
हाँ.
फाइटर डायरेक्ट
मेरे
किया.
पास-
पठान
and
भी
Fighter.
की.
मेरे पास
पठान भी
कुछ
करी.
अच्छा गॉसिप है. हाँ.
सदान के बारे में.
ये इसके बारे में, War 2 के बारे में.
हाँ, बोलो.
हाँ, मुझे लगता है तुमने भी वही सब रेडिट पढ़ा
वही
जो मैंने
Reddit
पढ़ा.
पढ़ा
भाई पिछली बार पता है किसी ने कमेंट बोला है, स्नेहिल कीर्ति से कुछ ज्यादा ही अग्री करता है.
इतना तो अंतर ही नहीं करता.
अंतरिक्ष को ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करना
Yeah,
चाहिए
yeah.
स्नेल के साथ.
Yeah, what is the gossip?
तो द गॉसिप इज कि अयान मुखर्जी
भाई
was
बहुत
given
लंबा
the-
थ्रेड है भाई.
एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा
बहुत
intense
लंबा
है.
Give us the
ऐसा-
TLDR
ऐसा
version,
लगा Big
guys.
Boss ही
आई
script
स्वेयर
है.
मैंने आधे में मैं कहा भाई इतना नहीं
तो
जानना
I'll
मुझे
tell
अयान
you कि
मुखर्जी के
सिद्धार्थ
बारे में.
आनंद को पहले ही मूवी डायरेक्ट करने
But he was asking
दी.
for too much of a budget.
फिर हाँ, इस बार वो पैसे मांग रहा था ज्यादा. पिछली बार उसको बहुत ही कम पैसे दिए थे, बट ही अग्रीड बिकॉज ही रियली वांटेड टू डायरेक्ट. सॉरी टू एवरीवन इन्वॉल्वड इन दिस, आई डोंट नो.
Yeah,
This is
it's okay.
also alleged. We read it on
Yeah,
Reddit.
everything
Yeah.
is
Okay?
alleged. Yeah.
हाँ बोलो.
एंड देन सिद्धार्थ आनंद ने फिर कुछ अपना प्रोडक्शन सेपरेट कर लिया.
Marflix,
हाँ हाँ. तो फिर ही केम बैक टू डायरेक्ट स्टिल. Came back
Okay.
to direct
हाँ,
War 2, but I was asking for a lot of money. So they didn't give it to him. And then Rani convinced Adi to give it to Ayan because Ayan is Rani's cousin. Oh, and Ayan
Also, he needed to pay
was
the
really...
he needed to pay the VFX department after Brahmastra.
You had to pay them
Ayan,
extra. You had some balance left over.
and Ayan was apparently doing a very shit job on the movie.
Okay.
Everybody on the movie could sense it. Hrithik was out of it, like not into it
War
at
2
all.
की बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ, War 2 की बात
Wow,
कर रहा हूँ.
crazy.
और सब भी मतलब आउट थे, मतलब मेंटली आउट थे
Dude, I
because
must
he was
say-
not doing a good
Correct,
job.
correct.
हाँ.
It does look like when you watch the War 2 trailer, it does look like Ayan Mukherjee is trying to copy Siddharth Anand's direction.
Yeah,
You get what I mean?
on the so I was reading Reddit पे जब War 2 का ट्रेलर आया तो मैं उसके कमेंट्स ये टीजर आया तो मैं देख रहा था रिएक्शन क्या है. उसमें एक बंदे ने लिखा था कि अयान मुखर्जी का नाम हटा के तुम सिद्धार्थ आनंद लगा दो सेम है.
Nobody will
Nobody
question.
cares.
Yeah, nobody cares.
And then Ayan Mukherjee.
Nobody cares नहीं मतलब कि सेम type of direction,
Yeah,
same
yeah.
type
It'll
of
look,
delivery.
nobody will
yeah.
know the difference.
Yeah.
Nobody will even question it.
And then Aditya Chopra approached Kabir
Singh
Khan.
Khan.
Khan
Ah.
and
Acha.
Ali
Kabir Singh, I thought.
as well as Ali Abbas Zafar. Either of them to salvage the project because it's going to shit. So Ali Abbas Zafar agreed, but not agreed to direct
his
it, take
name.
it up completely. But he
Yeah,
agreed
I'll
to
help
salvage
Ayan.
it. Yeah.
Ghost direct.
So the later part of the movie he looked after, and Ayan
Oh,
was just
yeah,
a
that's
tool.
very
Bro,
possible.
now what
It's
if
gonna be shit.
see first half is bad, second half is good.
You know, this is famously what happened with Justice League, right? The Dawn of Justice.
Yeah, Zack
Where-
Snyder and Joss Whedon.
Yeah, Zack Snyder ka family में,
Yeah,
he lost his
lost his daughter,
Lost
so
his
he had
daughter.
to. But even at that
Joss
time, he
Whedon
was
had to
having a
step
lot
in.
of difficulties with the
yeah,
production.
correct. So then same. Ayan Mukherjee shit only.
Sorry, but yeah, in theory, it's a Frankenstein monster of a movie rather than.
Yeah,
Also-
but I you know what I feel मुझे दो चीजों
But
से
this is
प्रॉब्लम
rumored,
है.
right? Or
मतलब
will Ali
somebody-
Abbas Zafar's name show up?
No, it doesn't show up.
So
Nobody wants to
what
be
I feel is
associated.
दो चीजों का मुझे जो मेजर लग रहा है that have already affected the hype around the film or the conversation or the talk around the film is a blatant and right there use of VFX.
dude, and bad green screen.
And वही
so
मतलब
much
green
screen.
screen, bad green screen.
Bad dialogue delivery by Junior
यार
NTR
जूनियर
यार.
वही यार मुझे ना
But
main
then again, this was a teaser. We haven't seen the full.
हाँ,
like,
so-
ये तो
trailer.
मैंने
Dude,
हर मूवी
dude,
को चांस दिया
bro,
है कि टीजर
enough.
खराब है मूवी
Correct,
अच्छी होगी.
not a chance.
कोई अच्छी
never,
नहीं.
never does it happen कि ट्रेलर इतना खराब हो
Also-
और मूवी
so
अच्छी
again
निकल जाए.
ये देखो मैं
नहीं.
आपको बताता हूँ मुझे आई फील कि VFX और ग्रीन स्क्रीन जो है वो अगर बड़े पर्दे पे देखा जाए तो उतना क्लियर और उतना एविडेंट नहीं होता
नहीं दिखता है bro.
भाई
और होता है भाई.
उल्टा
क्या
और होता है.
बात कर रहे हो
हाँ,
भाई
100%
आई
दिखता
फील
है.
भाई,
स्मॉल
TV
स्क्रीन पे ज्यादा क्लियरली
नहीं bro.
VFX को ग्रीन स्क्रीन दिखता है
Bro,
than
on the big
the bigger
screen, you
screen.
can tell even more clearly
Yeah.
that the actor is clearly the cutout is looks weird of the actor.
पता नहीं
because of these
आई फील स्मॉल स्क्रीन पे जस्टिस नहीं होता
तू
उसका
इतना उसमें होता है ना कि मैं थिएटर में पिक्चर देख
और
रहा
तुम
हूँ.
ऋतिक के
वो-
बाइसेप्स भी तो देख रहे हो.
things.
हाँ, और तू
Yeah.
distracted होता है.
That's the only thing that is not green screen actually, not VFX.
Also, Hrithik and Kiara look like Mama Banji. I don't want to see that. Not interested.
यार for some Kiara like never seemed like the perfect pair with
But
Hrithik
dude, like
for some
Hrithik,
reason.
I think is finding a difficult time because I felt like him and Deepika also
But
were not a
it.
great.
जबकि you would think they
couple.
would be sizzling,
Yeah,
but they
yeah.
were not.
यार again because see
I
I'll
think
tell
Hrithik
you
सिर्फ कंगना के साथ ही अच्छा लगता है.
see I'll tell you ऋतिक का सीन क्या है ना यार जो फाइटर जो फिल्म थी ठीक है उसके अंदर रोमांस का रूम उतना डाला नहीं
तो
और
नहीं रखना
कपल
चाहिए था,
तो
तब
मैं
कोई
अरे
रखना ही पड़ता ना,
वही
tick
तो
करने
बोल
के लिए
रहा
होगा.
हूँ वही तो बोल रहा
Tick करना पड़ता
हूँ
उनको.
कि रोमांस का उतना रूम डाला नहीं कपल ले लिया सबसे हाइप्ड ठीक है और उसके बाद तुमने पूरी पिक्चर का टेंजेंट ही कुछ और रखा एंड देन एंड में जस्ट टू कंप्लीट द रोमांस सर्कल तुमने वो एंगल डाल दिया इट वाज
Yeah.
नॉट
Should
नीडेड
learn-
एट ऑल
You should learn from Shah Rukh where he made Deepika his mother in Jawan.
वो तो शाहरुख तो भाई
But शाहरुख और दीपिका की केमिस्ट्री तो फाड़ू थी ना पठान में. That you would agree with.
Yeah, that's true.
Better than Kiara and
हाँ
Hrithik.
आई एम
Yeah,
श्योर
yeah, yeah.
यार अभी पिक्चर कहाँ देखी है आपने
Yeah, I have,
देख
a,
होने वाली ना यार,
I have a
क्या लगता है?
question. There wasn't there supposed to be a Spy-Verse movie with Alia and
so that's
And Sharwari.
2026 alpha
Yeah.
oh okay.
that's I think December 26
Also, again, going to be the same with women.
Dude, also
That I
very
don't mind
possibly
watching.
Same
might
thing.
even get shelved, dude, because every
No, I won't get
sadly
shelved.
female-led project and all is getting
Like-
shelved, getting their budget
but
cancelled.
that's
War
only
to-
Jile Zarana that we've
that
seen
and there have been a few in the middle also, which you,
But
we can link
an
them, whatever.
Alia movie wouldn't be shelved because
You
she's
never
big.
know, man.
यार
Dude, see,
इंशाल्लाह
right
तो सेल
now,
हो ही गई ना
Jigra did not work. So Alia, like box office pull has definitely suffered because of that.
यार
did
that is
matter.
that is a general that is a general thing that has happened with Bollywood
That's true. But
it is
Jigra
not because
wasn't
of
great.
Alia.
What
you
is
didn't
the star?
like you didn't like Jigra
Dude,
You-
90% of people didn't like it.
I agree. Jigra
Yeah.
wasn't great.
I didn't
it
like
wasn't
Yeah.
It was
great
decent.
yeah
It was just about
And it
decent, dude.
didn't do very well at the box office.
I'm sure मैं
But that's what
मना
I'm
कर ही
saying.
नहीं रहा उस बात को but I'm not
but I don't
but-
agree कि वो आलिया का
हाँ,
वो नीचे
आलिया का
चला
वो
गया।
नीचे
Some
नहीं हुआ
तो
उससे
थोड़ा तो हुआ.
बाद
आलिया
नहीं
भट्ट
है।
will always be Alia
No,
Bhatt,
that's
bro.
fine. See, but your perception in the industry that is putting crores of rupees in you,
No,
that
bro.
does take a hit
No,
for sure,
bro.
dude.
Not at all
100%.
not at all
It's
यार,
about distributors.
भाई-
Distributors, how
भाई
much
एक
money?
सेकंड भाई शाहरुख खान ने अगर 4 साल खराब पिक्चर दे दी उसका पुल नहीं खत्म
Dude,
हुआ
there's a difference between Shah Rukh Khan and
And
Alia Bhatt.
110%. But when you're talking about women in the industry, there is no one who's better than Alia Bhatt right now.
Dude, I agree. But I don't think the industry looks at it like that. The industry absolutely looks at it. How hot was your last picture? How many acids did you put in seats for your last picture? Oh, it's that one underperformed. That means the next one
Bhai,
will also underperform.
one film will not affect a star like Alia Bhatt, bhai.
Okay, see, the only saving grace here, of course, is that it's YRF attached. And
That
huge names.
I feel is something that will pull it down. क्योंकि
No.
भाई I feel Spyverse ने Tiger 3 खराब दी. Pathan in hindsight people are not liking it. Now people are talking about कि देख इसलिए ली because it was Shah Rukh's comeback, right? उसके बाद Spyverse का एक edition with Sharwari and Alia that might I feel Alia
So
might take a backseat and give more dates and more effort to Love and War than
No,
Spyverse.
That the possibly will be the
but
case.
that movie, I'm definitely sure, will be made on a much less budget than War 2. they also know.
But you
Ah,
know,
for
Yeah.
sure.
Exactly.
I
Exactly.
110%
Yeah.
agree.
personally, I would like to watch Alpha much more than I
Yeah,
would like
I
to watch
agree.
War 2.
I agree. Yes.
भाई
Very true.
मैं उस बात को भी मैं डिफाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ या मैं डिनाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं बस
मन
ये
में तो कर रहे हो.
नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रहा, बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रहा. आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट सुपर हैप्पी विद द वॉर 2 टीजर. आई फील लाइक a hero is as good as the villain, and the villain is looking very
Pika.
फीका in front of Hrithik, because I personally feel Hrithik का acting potential को उतना लोग credit नहीं देते जितना उसके looks और उसके dance को देते हैं. I feel he is as
Fantastic
phenomenal
actor, yeah.
as an actor जितना वो dancer है, जितना उसके अच्छे looks हैं. तो जितने range of expressions उसने अपने teaser में दे दिए हैं,
वो वाला.
उसका आधा भी दूसरे साइड पे
ऋतिक
नहीं
को
है.
बोलो ना कि अपने बाइसेप्स को 4 इंच वो छोटा ही
हाँ,
रखेगा तो
next
लोग
time-
देखेंगे उसकी एक्टिंग
next time when you go to his house-
बल्कअप हो गया आ जाता है तो फिर nobody cares.
Next time
जूनियर
when you-
NTR तो मुझे कोई जगह लग रहा है AI से उसका
AI से
फेस
वो-
लगाया है उस पे.
Correct.
But I still feel that there will be some hope left. That I will always feel for a
I still
Hrithik
think it will
project.
be a hit if there's no other big movie releasing around Independence Day. This will still make
यार पता है
money.
इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे आई वाज हियरिंग कि वो आ रही है लाहौर 1947.
This will do better than that.
Which is the Sunny Deol one.
Sunny Deol and
Bro.
Amir Khan also.
Yeah, Amir.
No, but
Oh,
Amir
Sunny
is
Deol
not,
and Amir Khan. I don't know about
Amir
this.
apparently
Yeah,
has a
yeah,
cameo in Lahore 1947.
Oh.
ठीक है कोई बात नहीं मैं
So-
तो नहीं देखूंगी थिएटर में War 2.
Yeah, man.
मेरे को
I-
भी नहीं लगता.
मैं मतलब आई थिंक वॉर 2 को अगर तुम लोग टीवी पे देखोगे तो और ज्यादा खराब लगेगी.
तो मैं
स्नेहल
TV
बता देना कैसी थी पिक्चर.
टीवी पे भी नहीं देखूंगी.
टीवी पे
टीवी पे फ्री में देख लूंगी. नेटफ्लिक्स के पैसे तो मैं देती हूँ महीने.
Yeah.
नहीं वॉर 2 तो will
But
be
then
a proper-
eventually all of this has to lead to the Avengers type movie where Pathan, Tiger, Kabir, all of these
Bhai,
people
the
have to
thing
come
with
together.
the
Do you think there
Avenger
will be a cameo in War 2 of either
very
Salman or
possible.
Shah Rukh?
I was
Yeah.
absolutely thinking that. Very
No, no.
possibly.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Very possibly.
I
so.
doubt
कुछ तो करना
will be.
चाहिए.
I doubt because
But they'll want to build the hype again.
so
no.
I'll tell you. So the hype or the rumor around War 2 was that this will be the first film where all the three spies come together.
Correct.
Okay.
I
ठीक
heard
है?
that, yes.
But I think they've postponed this event for Pathan 2.
Oh, because that's going to be the bigger movie.
Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe post credit.
probably post
Oh,
credit.
my-
Tiger
Yeah,
3
glimpses
post
or
credit
something,
was Kabir, right? No.
No,
Okay.
Pathan
Pathan post-credit
Pathan
was
का
Kabir.
post credit was
What was the Tiger 3 post credit? Was there one?
I think that only was Hrithik, no?
Wasn't that Hrithik?
Yeah, that
Kabir?
was Hrithik at the end.
भाई पठान का था.
पठान का was Tiger.
No, Pathan
Tiger
post
का
credit was them sitting
Salman
on
and
the
Shah Rukh
train.
together. Yeah, correct,
I
correct.
mean,
Oh,
हमसे
अच्छा,
और
अच्छा,
किसी से
हाँ,
हमको ही
हाँ,
करना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा
हाँ,
that
हाँ,
one.
fair,
Yeah,
fair, fair.
yeah.
हाँ तो वो टाइगर का होगा.
That was the best postcard scene, like, almost ever.
But then
Yes.
clearly उनसे भी नहीं हो रहा है.
like, Shah Rukh, you still can't say. He's still.
यार पता
there.
नहीं, like पता है, again as we were talking about, in hindsight there was not much.
In Pathan.
No, I don't mind
But-
Jawan. Jawan is still watchable. I've seen parts of Jawan
Dude,
later.
in Pathan is not terrible. It's
not
watchable.
terrible.
Yeah,
It's not
watchable.
great.
But have you watched
okay.
it ever
I
again
have.
after the
Yeah.
theater release?
भाई
sorry,
like
yeah.
That's what he does alone in this room when you're not watching.
Yeah, that's what I do. Alone in this room. Correct.
Pathan
Yeah,
was not, like
Yeah, that,
again
that-
for some reason I
I
felt
love him.
It was
John
better
Abraham,
than Donkey.
John for sure. John Abraham had
More.
more power to his role compared to Shah Rukh for some
बस अब
reason.
हम ज्यादा पठान के बारे में डिस्कस नहीं करते हैं. अच्छी थी, हिट हुई ना, बस खत्म.
ये हुआ ऋतिक की गाड़ मार लो तुम लोग मेरे आगे हैं.
But then that's
शाहरुख
what,
का 3 चीज बोला, डिस्कस नहीं
Yeah.
करते हैं.
पैसे तो कमाए ना, पैसे तो कमाए ना.
Firstly,
उसने
I
खरीदी
don't-
ना 20 करोड़ की गाड़ी.
yeah,
बस.
I don't think Shah Rukh was overpowered by John in that movie.
Oh, I to fully feel
I don't
that.
think that
I
at all.
feel John
think-
I
was
think John held
John
his
was
own.
Yeah,
John
yeah,
held
yeah,
his own.
at his own. But Shah Rukh ka still persona was more rude in that movie. I've been dying to talk about this topic. Deepika Padukone has been replaced in Sandeep Reddy Vanga's Next. The movie is called Spirit, starring Prabhas.
Deepika was probably cast just to get slapped, so I'm glad she's out.
What?
Yeah.
Because
Oh, he
Sandeep
did a
Reddy
Vanga
Vanga.
joke, bro.
Wow.
But nobody gets slapped in Animal, bro.
Yeah, they just lick
because
lick
they-
Yeah.
boots.
No, hey, एक second.
But lick boots.
They don't lick boots.
Ranveer
They get
told you.
asked to.
Yeah, which is almost dirtier.
Ranveer did slap Tripti Dimri's ass.
I am just glad
But-
that she said it. Not any of us.
He did, and also almost slapped Rashmika, right?
I think
What?
he slapped
At my time,
Rashmika.
oh, that was just me in my head. Okay,
No,
fine.
no. He almost he almost shot Rashmika, bro.
That was short.
Yeah, he almost shot
but
Rashmika.
but not as bad as
And
slap.
also told her to not get married ever again if he dies.
Yeah, also said don't act.
And
Also
speak.
Legibly.
asked her to gain weight or lose weight so that she can deliver her baby.
No, she said you are the perfect
Yeah, your waist.
ass shape is perfect to deliver
Yeah.
babies.
As I could slap.
Why?
What a wonderful movie.
Bro,
We should watch it again.
I can't. I think you know, dude. In one of the interviews, I think Wanga or someone says, but he doesn't let her lick the shoe. No. And I'm like,
बेचारा.
Wow, dude.
फालतू में
such a
उसे blame
noble
कर रहा है.
person.
Yeah, correct. He didn't let her. Again, वो allow करेगा. वो allow करेगा.
So what movie is this?
What are you talking about?
Spirit.
The one movie?
Spirit.
Spirit.
So
Oh,
Spirit
okay.
is the movie that Wanga is writing right now, and then after he completes Spirit, he'll
Animal
start
movie.
writing
Animal
Animal Park, and then he'll write Animal Park 3.
Can't wait.
Unless Spirit becomes a big, then we Spirit.
Cannot.
Then Spirit 2.
Spirit 2.
Cannot wait to see women
Spirit.
getting slapped.
भाई
Again,
I think रणबीर ने किसी
I like-
इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि मैंने एनिमल पार्क का मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट सुना है ओह आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू डू इट मैंने कहा भाई
Guys, can we not have two separate
Sorry,
concepts?
sorry.
Please.
Also, प्रभास एक्टिंग कर रहा है स्पिरिट में, तो वैसे भी खराब तो होने ही वाली है.
प्रभास,
गुड फॉर
wow,
दीपिका.
okay.
प्रभास
Agreed.
लेट्स rephrase the sentence प्रभास कर रहा है स्पिरिट 2
प्रभास एक्टिंग तो नहीं करता है.
उस
not acting.
सेंटेंस से एक्टिंग हटा सकते हैं
प्रभास की हिंदी ऐसे लगती है कि उसको 5 दिन से बुखार है.
यार for some reason none of the
Yeah.
South industry superstars have out and out worked in Bollywood.
But they don't need to,
Yeah,
exactly.
I am
Then
like
why do
okay,
they?
yeah.
Why do they?
I
come
think
and
I-
speak
Because
bad
the
Hindi?
Bollywood producers
Bollywood
approach them.
producers want them.
So that
I
their
guess.
films work in the South.
in the South.
Oh,
That's the classic token
Pan
वो
India
चीज ना
whatever.
पैन इंडिया. अब जैसे वो था RRR थी. RRR में ट्रेलर में उन्होंने आलिया
अजय
भट्ट के सीन
देवगन,
डाल दिए
हाँ, अजय देव-
और मूवी में भी आलिया भट्ट के उतने ही सीन थे जितने ट्रेलर में थे.
Dude, yeah, correct. But Ajay Devgn was fucking awesome in
In
RRR. by the
RRR,
way.
yes.
I for
That
some
was great.
reason I liked RRR and
I really like.
loved
I love
RRR.
RRR.
I
Dude.
liked RRR.
It was
He
okay.
didn't
What
find
what
it.
is for
Yeah,
some
okay.
reason? It went for
Why
Oscar.
we got a lot of hate in the comments when we said RRR. We liked RRR and in the most overrated episode.
Mm.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Yeah, I had
is
said that I
way-
liked Bahubali more.
And we said
I do like Bahubali more.
Yeah, same.
I don't
mean-
like Bahubali more.
I mean, see,
Bahubali is out and out
That's right.
Lion King.
I don't like Bahubali at all.
भाई Lion King का पूरा rip off है.
Whatever.
Lion King was a
it's
ripoff
good.
of Hamlet,
but
so
dude,
it all
every
goes back
movie
to
gets
Shakespeare.
like
It's okay, good.
ये तुम लोग को hate इसीलिए मिलता है, तुम लोग के ओपिनियन नहीं.
नहीं, Bahubali I don't like at all. But RRR I understand when people say it was जब इतनी hype हो तो every movie is overrated only. Now that it's died down, I think yeah, RRR is an awesome movie. I still think that.
It is an awesome movie, but Bahubali was
No,
the
not at
more
all.
awesome
Nope,
movie.
not all.
No.
Okay,
not at
but
all.
that's a discussion for another day. Okay.
पहले ये बताओ War 2 का आप लोग का prediction क्या है?
I thought said no, it's gonna be a hit. It won't
No.
be as good as the first war,
Okay.
but I think it's gonna be. Actually, I don't know if it'll be better than Tiger 3 or not.
I think it's gonna be an underperformer for sure because we've seen, dude, like if between the four of us, this trailer could not incite.
But I don't
Excitement.
think we are. इसको ये तो फिर भी जाएगा.
But जाएगा. But he's not
the tar-
excited about it.
But
now.
among the three of us, I think Snail is the only target audience for that movie.
क्या कहना चाहते हो तुम?
Oh नहीं bro.
No, I don't mean
No,
that in
no.
a bad way.
Dude, no.
क्या हो गया
They
भाई?
had-
आपने क्या
Same,
मतलब
many said
भाई ने
that. I
कल
wouldn't
रात
take
आपने क्या नोलन के साथ किया था? ठीक है, ये
हाँ,
बातें तो
नोलन के साथ सोच के.
अरे भाई अब
तो एक बात मैं बोलूं तो नोलन मत बोल. नोलन मेरे लिए रोहित शेट्टी है, ठीक है? क्यूब्रिक बोल, स्कोरसेसी बोल, ठीक है? ये सब बोल. बस नोलन.
खराब हो गए मेरे.
नोलन को रोहित शेट्टी बोल दिस भाई.
I love Rohit Shetty. मैं रोहित शेट्टी के खिलाफ कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी।
नोलन को
but
रोहित शेट्टी
yeah.
बोल दी.
But I really think it's gonna underperform. It's not gonna live up to Snehil's hype because none of us are hyped about it.
No, he's also not very hyped.
I'm not
That's what I'm saying.
hyped about it, but I still
He's
see,
hyped
See,
about
that's
the
what I'm
bicep.
saying.
like
That's
I,
why it's not gonna
see,
earn that much.
I think so again I think there has अच्छा teaser के बाद ही बहुत there is too much chatter about the film because obviously it was one of the biggest
Everybody's
projects.
talking about Kiara's CG ass. Nobody's talking about the
How do you
movie.
know it's CGS?
Everyone is saying it is. But
So how do you know that?
I don't know if it's
Acha,
true,
acha,
but
acha.
that is what that is the conversation.
So that's
on
what
the
I'm
internet
saying. The
about what-
conversation.
Oh, you think Ritik's
bicep is also CGI.
highly possible.
yeah, triceps?
So
too,
हो
yeah.
सकता है अब जब
Enhanced
जब
for sure.
सलमान
Yeah,
सलमान पूरी एब्स डाल सकता है अगर
That's
VFX से तो आई एम श्योर कुछ तो टचिंग और वो ऐसा एनहांसमेंट्स और ये सब
Bro,
होता
that was
ही
the
है.
funniest stuff, by the way. You know this, right?
What?
How so Salman's team never wanted it out there that they had VFX'd his abs. But you know what happened?
But the VFX team
Yeah,
कि
this
हमने
is
कैसे कितना
hilarious.
कमाल का काम किया है.
Correct.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
VFX team was so proud
Yeah.
of their work, right? So you know how they show like show reels
yeah.
of their work. So they showed a before and after
Of Salman with
And his
without
team were
abs.
like, dude, you can't post. I would say.
सलमान के साथ ऐसा ही होता है. सलमान बिग बॉस होस्ट कर रहा था और उसकी सिगरेट
सिगरेट
हाथ
हाथ
में
में
थी,
आ गई
again,
लॉन्ग शॉट ले लिया.
वायरल हो गई पूरी दुनिया में. फिर
हाँ.
उन्होंने कट कर दिया.
So funny.
सलमान भाई.
तुम लोग ने वो एक AI वाला वीडियो देखा है where this like very the obese versions of these actors are seen. तो शाहरुख खान का एक बहुत मोटा वर्जन है
हाँ,
अजय
I've seen
देवगन.
that, yes.
उसमें सलमान भी है, तो कमेंट पे सबने लिखा है कि सलमान का ओरिजिनल क्यों यूज कर दिया. अगर भाई तक पहुंच गया ना ये एपिसोड.
But I मतलब ठीक है यार. I think like cut them some slack भाई.
Yeah,
60
yeah.
साल के
Bro,
हो गए
yeah.
हैं,
Dude,
dude.
Dude,
Yeah, yeah,
60
sure.
everyone,
Like,
everyone can still make jokes, dude. That's
हाँ,
why
I'm sure.
everyone agrees and understands. Of course,
Yeah,
I'm
dude.
good
सलमान
for
के
it.
लिए तो सब स्लैक कट कर देते हैं. शाहरुख
हाँ.
को फिर भी सब बुली ही करते हैं.
शाहरुख को कोई बुली नहीं करता है भाई. पूरी इंडस्ट्री
सलमान पूरी दुनिया bully करता है.
हाँ, सबसे पैम्पर्ड स्टार है वो पूरी दुनिया का.
प्लीज बिल्कुल भी नहीं. शाहरुख को सब ऐसे हेट करते हैं. पता नहीं
मैं
क्यों.
मेट गाला
कौन
कॉन्सेप्ट
hate
क्या
करता है
है?
शाहरुख को? Who hates
शाहरुख को कौन हेट करता है कीर्ति?
Everyone loves Shahrukh. All he gets is everywhere that any person is talking about working with Shahrukh. Shahrukh भाई ऐसे अच्छे हैं. When
हमें
you-
गेट तक छोड़ने आते हैं.
all of that goes
4
viral.
बजे तक
And you
जगा
know all of
के
it.
रखते हैं.
Not amongst the stars, amongst the fans.
Yeah.
Everyone gives a lot of hate to
Dude,
Shahrukh.
शाहरुख का घर
शाहरुख-
देखा है, घर के बाहर देखा है ना? You've seen window outside his house.
Bro, like genuinely out of Shahrukh and Salman, people look down upon Salman.
Yeah, you're
लोगों
right.
People shoot Salman out of his
Hey,
house.
let's take this podcast as an example. Okay, we give so much love to Shahrukh.
That
and
people
shit on
think
Salman.
we are
Yeah, we are
bought.
paid by
हाँ.
Shahrukh's PR.
पता है,
I wish we were.
There was
Please,
there was
Shahrukh's PR,
actually a
might as well.
comment that said कि कितना पैसा दिया शाहरुख का पीआर तुम्हें. भाई जितने व्यूज हमें आते हैं शाहरुख के पीआर को पता भी नहीं होगा
भाई,
हम एग्जिस्ट करते हैं.
Yeah.
ठीक है. बट
Yeah.
या ये तो चलो यूनिवर्सल है यार. मतलब एज इन यूनिवर्सल इन बॉलीवुड कि सलमान
Yeah.
गेट्स मोर हेट ओवर
I
शाहरुख.
don't think so.
Dude, he also does more things which are hateable, no?
मूवी बनाता है.
That's just what it is, dude.
सलमान फ्लॉप मूवीज ही बनाता है और शाहरुख की 5 में से अगर 3 मूवी फ्लॉप हो जाती तो शाहरुख का करियर खत्म. बुड्ढा.
Oh, that's
That's
बड़ा,
because you
बुड्ढा.
expect more
Yeah.
from bro. Yeah, that is
That's
so
it.
that
Yeah.
that is why
Oh, that is Shahrukh's fault.
Yeah.
We have started expecting more from him. It's what you
Exactly.
train your audience to expect.
Yeah.
He's allowed, Mrs. He's at least trying. Salman is not even
We
trying.
agree with you everywhere. All this is good. You're
And
right.
this is not hate to
Yeah.
Shahrukh. This is again all praises to Shahrukh.
Yeah, dude. We also like Shahrukh more. It's just what it is.
Any sensible person should.
Yes.
कीर्ति हम सब सेम ही बात
Yeah,
बोल रहे हैं.
that's it.
Okay.
Anything else
ठीक
we
है.
are not going to?
ना मैं वो पूछ रहा था. Do we want to get back to Salman hosting KBC or is that done?
Dude, there's a little bit more to explore there. I wanted
Like
to ask,
what?
since Salman anyway is not the perfect option, who would be? I
See,
think that's-
Amitabh Bachchan's prestige and all, I don't think there's anybody.
Yeah.
who can
I think
Nana
don't say
Abhi-
Rajnikant.
Amir Khan.
अभिषेक
bro.
बच्चन ब्रो.
Amir Khan.
अभिषेक
No,
बच्चन
yaar,
bro.
Amir Khan
bro.
doesn't have the
Amir
spunk.
Khan सच में जयते तक
Amir Khan is very funny.
No, he's not. He's
Amir
very,
Khan-
very
KBC
vanilla.
No, it
does
can be
not
very
need to be
mischievous.
funny.
I
KBC
agreed,
is
but
not that
when-
show.
Correct.
But
But when he
Amitabh
did, when he
cracks jokes and
see,
you know.
okay, firstly, let's also understand that when the host is changed of any show, they
The
have to go
flavor
for a different
also
vibe.
change.
They
Yeah,
have to go for a different vibe. They have to
Yeah.
modernize the show. That's how
Yeah.
all late night talk shows work. That's how everything works. For a new era, for a more social media centric era, they have to modernize it. Okay, so who would be in that vibe?
एल्विश यादव को दे देते हैं भाई सोशल मीडिया सेंट्रिक
वो तो सिस्टम के बाहर
क्योंकि कंप्यूटर सिस्टम तो है ही है वहाँ पे
कंप्यूटर सिस्टम
और वो ऑप्शंस लॉक करने को बोलता है सिस्टम हैंग कर दे क्या ठीक है
हर आंसर सही होगा कंप्यूटर बोलेगा एल्विस
एल्विस
भाई
भाई
क्या
के
है
आगे
कोई
कोई
बोल
बोल
सकता
सकता
है
है
क्या
एल्विस भाई अपना ही आंसर दे रहे हैं हाँ दैट इज करेक्ट आंसर
रजत दलाल को दे
रजत दलाल कौन
No, exactly. Nobody knows who Rajat
Yeah,
Dalal
even
is.
I don't know.
Rajat Dalal loves this.
we had our Suhana Khan who moment
Dude, it's another. He's one of another one Elvish type.
another one of Elvish.
Yeah, Elvish type.
oh
Fucking
अच्छा अच्छा okay
you know,
fair
Is it that
gangster
guy?
influencers.
वो जो गाड़ी में से बोलता है भाग लियो
oh नहीं
वो है
that is हिंदुस्तानी भाई light that is a
Oh,
different
अच्छा, okay.
Hey, Rajat Dalal is someone who took a car on a test drive and hit a bike with a test drive car because he was
Okay.
Speeding.
wow dude
and made a vlog of it and put it on YouTube.
देखो मैंने क्या मस्त काम किया है दोस्तों. Okay. Anyway.
wow रजत किसी को क्यों नहीं पता है रजत
I
दलाल
know
का
Rajat Dalal.
अच्छा you know रजत
Because
दलाल?
of her. I just know Rajat Dalal.
फटाफट से ऐसा
Yeah,
मेरे को नहीं पता है इसकी वजह से
नहीं नहीं वो है चूतिया ही. That's fine. What she's saying is right.
अच्छा
But
ठीक है but yeah I think
Amir is not a
Elfish
bad
है।
option though. Amir is also a decent
Ritik
option.
Ritik is a good option.
भाई ये तो
No.
भाई
नहीं यार नहीं देखो जहाँ
हर
पे नहीं
आंसर के
वहाँ
बाद
पे नहीं
डांस करने लगेगा वो।
जहाँ पे नहीं वहाँ पे नहीं
आपका है correct answer.
मैं बताती हूँ करेक्ट आंसर.
हाँ बोलो.
ईशान खट्टर विदाउट अ शर्ट.
ब्रो करण जौहर
Without a shot. But why?
करण जौहर could be
Karan Johar actually could be.
करण जौहर
If the answer is all, if the questions are all about who you're sleeping with, then yes.
Why you're sleeping with Karan Johar?
what the fuck Abbas
I wouldn't be doing this fucking podcast if I was sleeping with Karan.
so you think everybody who
I
sleeps
would
with
be
Karan gets a film
Yes, I
award?
would be at
Yeah.
Cannes Film Festival right now, please.
You know, there are quite a few people who would be good all still.
Sleeping
I think
with
also,
sleeping with Karan.
No.
Oh, अच्छा.
Can we
KBC.
move on from sleeping with Karan Abbas
KBC.
coffee with Karan की जगह sleeping with
I said
Karan
Amir Khan. I also think Anupam Kher wouldn't be a bad choice.
Bro, Anupam
bro.
Kher and Manisha Koirala used to do a show called Sawal 10 Crore Ka. They were boring as fuck.
and
Also
ऊपर से
मेरे
उसके
को
बाद
नहीं
That was because of
देखना.
Manisha Koirala.
ऊपर से वो भी तो कुछ भी हो सकता है शो देखा आपने
हाँ.
it is not
Please, no, I don't want
Yeah,
to
no.
see Anupam
Anupam
Kher.
Kher is
Dude,
boring.
Anupam Kher
but
plays
कहाँ
a-
तो अमिताभ बच्चन
भाई
है।
अनुपम खेर अपनी ही कहानी बताने लग जाएगा
वो तो है.
कि
Which I like.
सवाल
मैंने-
है इसके बारे में
मैंने
पर पता
सारांश
है
में क्या acting
जब
की थी भाई?
मैं कश्मीर से इधर आया था दोस्तों
जब मैंने सारांश की थी.
जब सारांश
25
की
साल
थी
पहले,
तो एक्चुअली मेरी एज जो थी वो ये थी पर मैं प्ले जो था मैं वो
Bro!
कर रहा था।
Jackie Shroff.
Again a good SNL
Another
skit.
SNL sketch.
Yeah.
Just
again a
Bro,
good SNL
क्या
skit.
बोल रहे
आंसर
bro?
है?
Like, the
Like
gag-
computer bro is the
The
name.
gag that they had in I think आप लोगों ने पता नहीं देखी है कि नहीं देखी धमाल टोटल धमाल
नहीं.
टोटल धमाल में they make Jackie Shroff the voice of
Reason?
GPS
Okay.
so that's a good gag
That's very funny. Okay, great. I'm pitching sketches to SNL. I guess.
No,
SNL,
my-
if you watch it.
My nomination is Shut the Show. And
Cable
But you know
See.
that's not gonna happen.
end it.
You know that's not gonna happen.
End
they,
it.
they have a cash cow.
Is
there.
it still going on in the
25
US?
सालों से देख रही हूँ मैं केबीसी. एक
Who was-
आंसर याद नहीं है मुझे केबीसी का. क्या किसका बेनिफिट हो रहा है? मेरा तो नहीं हो रहा.
But it's still a fun show. I understand the quiz
yeah
aspect.
I
Hey,
like
I'm
this
not
show.
gonna shit on quiz shows, okay? Firstly, and secondly, I think it's still a show, except for that fucking extra melodramatic aspect of it that it has become.
Yeah.
now inside.
Oh, yeah.
वही करते
वही
हैं.
कि
मैं
जो
बहुत
इतना-
गरीब हूँ. मैं दौड़ता हूँ और
But you know what
मैं-
the crazy thing is? Like there are people like my mother, for instance, who won't miss that part. They're like, nahi, I want to feel more for the contestants. So
but
I
पता है, you know half
watch
the
this.
stories are not
That makes sense to me.
Yeah.
That makes absolute sense to me. Also, every time they make someone, do their work in front of the camera is so fake. Like that's a documentary thing
Oh,
that they
yeah,
have to
yeah,
do.
yeah, yeah.
Like you have to go about your business as you're going your business every day. Someone is writing like he writes every day. He's never written the day. It's the first page of that book. You can clearly see. And
Can
nobody
I,
does
can,
that.
I, can I share something with you guys? So there was a comic, okay, who
Comedian. Yeah.
a comedian who had come to Bombay to participate in India's Got Talent, okay, and
Talent.
India's Got Talent,
हाँ.
not Latent.
Not okay.
So they were shooting this same B-roll of his life and all.
Hmm.
Okay, and this comedian has had a fairly good life. Like,
Okay.
but the only thing is that his father has passed away, so now it's just his mother and him. So the producers were like, कि सर आप थोड़ा sad story बताइए ना कि आपके पापा के जाने के बाद आपके मम्मी और आप कैसे. And then they asked him to fly his mom down to Bombay. And like हम एक shot लेंगे जब आप stage पे मतलब audition के लिए जाने वाले हो. You just have to walk with your mother, okay, and we'll shoot it from behind. So he did that. He walked with his mother.
They flew his mom down for that.
Yeah,
one
yeah, yeah.
shot? That's
Then
awesome,
the
dude.
producers were like, "Sir, थोड़ा sad walk करो ना, मम्मी."
Sad walk.
So yeah, that's reality TV.
मैं भी बताऊँ एक स्टोरी. मैं
Yes.
स्कूल में थी तो मैं एक डांस क्लास जाती थी. वहाँ पे 2 टीचर्स थे, एक मेल एक फीमेल. तो जो फीमेल टीचर थी, शी गॉट सिलेक्टेड फॉर डांस इंडिया डांस एंड वी वर ऑल वेरी एक्साइटेड. तो when she came back, she didn't go through. उनके कुछ मेगा ऑडिशंस तक हुई और फिर she got rejected. But her part was recorded for TV.
Was she a dance teacher? Was it?
Yeah, she was dance
Oh,
teacher.
I thought just the English teacher because.
तो you were like कि ठीक है, you still get to be on TV mostly. तो you will be मतलब it's still
Something, yeah.
some. तो she's like no, I don't want that part to be on TV. मैंने बोला क्यों? तो बोलते हैं उन्होंने मेरे को force किया to pretend that I'm a fan of मिथुन चक्रवर्ती.
Mithun could be a good host to KBC, bro.
Not at all, dude. Not a chance.
Cobra.
No chance. Bro, you know, dude,
क्या
I've
बात,
gotten
क्या
it. I don't think they'll go with this angle because I don't think they'll even think like that. I think actually
Aishwarya Rai.
Kapil Sharma would be
KBC.
great KBC host. I
कपिल
actually
शर्मा
think this.
प्रोनाउंस भी नहीं कर पाएगा बेचारा.
भाई पता है अभी
वो
कीर्ति
English
का
वाला नहीं
हाथ
कर
ना
पाएगा, वो
आपके
हिंदी
पीछे
करेगा।
था, मैं गुद्दी पे ही मार देता पता वहां से.
वो हिंदी वाला बिल्कुल परफेक्टली करेगा. इंग्लिश वाला ठीक से थोड़ा.
तूने सुनील ग्रोवर कर लिया, कपिल शर्मा कर लिया, अब वो किकू शर्मा को
कृष्णा
भी दे दो.
कृष्णा
कृष्णा.
कृष्णा
को भी
कृष्णा
कर दो.
अभिषेक as जाकी दादा.
ऐश जागी दादा. गोविंदा.
हाँ.
गोविंदा
Yeah.
used to do
हाँ एक कुछ करते थे वो.
शो का नाम भूल गया मैं. उसमें
शाहरुख को ही देना
लॉक
चाहिए
नहीं, वो
वापस.
मोहर लगाता था कि
हाँ you're right.
Like actually
छप्पड़
yes.
फाड़ के.
छप्पर फाड़ के.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
वो वाला
No.
शो था ना जिसमें वो ब्रीफ केसेस वाला
I think so.
है ना, छप्पर फाड़ के वो था ब्रीफ केसेस
No,
वाला शो
actually
था.
तो she's absolutely right.
Which one?
शाहरुख की को दे दो वापस.
नहीं bro.
Dude, that actually that will be the best case
He is the
scenario for them.
only
That is best case scenario. I agree.
Aryan Khan.
Oh नहीं वो तो फिर cancel ही कर दो भाई. But according to him, Suhana will be great.
Oh yeah, you should give it to a female host, यार. अभी.
That's what I said. Like give it to Aishwarya.
Give it to Rekha.
And scene. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
We cannot top this.
Yeah, that's it. That brings us to the end of this episode of Pop Conversation. This was an amazing conversation. Kirti, thank you so much for joining us. Abbas, Snail. Please hit that like button. Follow the channel.
Memberships, guys. Take the membership.
Yes.
Salted.
Buy caramel or salted, whatever you want.
Yes.
Uh,
No GST.
Anything else you want to plug?
You plug.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to plug?
Releasing a new episode of That Filmy Game Show this week.
What?
With Aurora and Shakya.
That show's still
Back.
on?
It's
क्या
on.
बात
And we're coming back. And we're coming
Let
back.
him plug, let him plug.
And we're coming back in a huge way. Okay.
वो वाला रील लेगा आपने, शायद सिम्पसन्स का है, जहाँ पे वो लड़कियां आँख फाड़ रही हैं.
Yeah.
Oh, he's back.
He's back.
He's back.
Thank you, guys. All that excitement. Just for me.
सर मार रही
Wow,
हैं.
guys. Yes, please check out Spider-Man, Crickheads, Popcorn जो देख ही रहे हो, That Filmy Game Show, TIS.
तो भाई कितने शो कर रहे हो यार आप.
और कुछ और आ जाए मजा आ जाए यार. थोड़े पैसे बन जाए और
भाई सांस ले लो
यार.
सांस
if you
में
heard-
तेरी सांस मिली
if you
तो मुझे
heard how
सांस
much-
आई.
बाल सफेद हो रहे हैं.
Yeah, correct. If you heard how much I make from all these shows combined, it would be very sad.
That's why I take memberships.
Bro, that is
Or
actually
filmy.
that. पता है, I'll tell you a very funny thing. I was pitching for a project, ठीक है, and I had quoted some amount, and वो भी like that was in the air.
Today only, yes.
So I called him. ठीक है, I'm like अंतरिक्ष भाई आपके फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस बहुत खराब हैं.
Like
तो
खुद के
मैं
तो हाँ.
आपसे
But आप
बात
advice
करना
देते हो,
चाहता हूँ
yes.
कि आप एडवाइस ठीक
Yeah,
दे
well, नहीं देते हो, but when it comes to your own life, you suck at it.
You suck at it,
Yes.
dude. For the amount of work and the amount of shows he's doing. Oh,
He has
I
the
saw.
biggest imposter syndrome. That's
It's okay,
Crazy,
man.
dude.
You know
He'll
how like,
get
when it
better,
comes
bro.
to comics, right? It's almost sometimes easier to tag someone else's joke than write bits
Yeah.
of your own. It's exactly that feeling, you know. Like I'm good, or I can help other people.
I can make your set better.
Yeah, I
but
can,
my own
absolutely,
set-
dude. I'm great at making other people's sets better. Okay,
Can I plug my thing?
of course.
So the comment section, please check it out. You
It's
can
a new,
Yeah, it's-
not
it's a
the
new-
comment section.
no, not this.
Please check that out also. It like
The comment section, TVF, you can type it and you'll get the videos. My episode with Amol Parashar would have been out by the time this episode goes up. Yes.
and
So,
all.
yeah.
Okay, please. Sorry.
No, and I've done other interviews from the cast of the new TVF show called Gram
Okay.
Chikitsale as well. Yeah.
Okay, lastly,
Hmm.
if you have watched the episode till here, how can you let us know in the comments is by actually telling us who you would like to see as the host of KBC.
Of KBC.
If you watch the episode till here, you will know to comment that. So let us know. All right.
ऑल्सो एक और चीज मुझे बोलनी थी कि हम लोग ये प्लान कर रहे थे कि हम लोग एक AMA करें.
हाँ.
अब्बास हम लोग
Community
डिस्कस
post.
कर रहे थे, कम्युनिटी पोस्ट डालेंगे.
हाँ.
आप उसमें अपने कमेंट्स डालो, आप अपने क्वेश्चंस डालो, आप whatever the fuck you want to डालो and then we'll pick those up and
Dude,
we'll
that
answer.
sounds whatever fuck you want to dalo. Okay.
और सिर्फ ये मत पूछना.
How you did?
मतलब कमेंट्स क्वेश्चंस ऑब्वियसली यार, इतना स्मार्ट ऑडियंस तो है अपना कि उनको समझ आ जाएगा कि क्या डालना है.
हो गया. मेरे को पता क्या डालना.
तो डालो.
आप कुछ बोल रहे थे कि सिर्फ ये मत डालना.
हाँ मतलब
भाई,
अच्छे
बहुत
क्वेश्चन.
ये मत पूछना कि कितना कमाते हो.
Okay.
ठीक है.
That's it from our side.
Yeah,
See,
and
yes.
I'll go to my job on Monday.
Yeah, and if you're
Yes.
and
please.
if you're coming to the Himesh Reshammiya concert, meet us. We're
yes,
gonna be there.
all three of us are gonna be there.
Yes.
It's
we are
Abbas
like-
hopefully
it's
there.
not like only you people are going to be there. There are going to be thousands more people. How will you find you?
तो लोग हमें मैसेज
दिख-
कर
दिख
सकते हैं
जाते
ना.
हैं यार,
अब्बास
Abbas.
दिख
Abbas,
जाते हैं
don't
लोग.
You've
be
never been
jealous.
recognized.
Don't be jealous
Abbas,
that you're not coming.
People have seen
I've
you.
been recognized all the time, bro.
So then you know how it feels.
Yeah, it's true.
When people don't recognize you.
So yeah, we're all gonna be there.
All right.
Bye. See you.
Bye bye.